Unlock your English. The power of adjectives in describing uses. Hello, English learners. We are back with another exciting video lesson. Today we're diving into the topic of adjectives for describing uses. This is a crucial topic in conversational English and can greatly enrich your vocabulary when you want to describe the function or use of an object or even an idea. Let's get started. Adjectives are key players in English language. They add color, depth, and detail to our sentences. When we describe the use of an object, we often need to use adjectives. For example, this is a useful book. Here, the adjective useful describes the use of the book. There is a wealth of adjectives we can use to describe uses. Some common ones include useful, functional, practical, handy, effective, beneficial, and essential. Each of these words can be used to describe something that serves a particular purpose or is helpful in a specific context. Let's look at a few examples. This functional sofa can be turned into a bed. These handy tools will help you fix the broken chair. The fire extinguisher is essential for safety reasons. Now that we've covered some common adjectives, let's explore some less common but equally expressive adjectives. Words like indispensable, invaluable, multifunctional, and versatile add more sophistication to your English. Let's see them in action. An indispensable part of my morning routine is drinking a glass of water. For a wildlife photographer, a good camera is invaluable. My multifunctional watch serves as a compass, a fitness tracker, and even a weather forecaster. This versatile kitchen gadget can be used to chop, blend, and shred. Remember, the more you practice using these adjectives in your daily conversations, the more comfortable you will become with them. We hope you found this video helpful and learned some new adjectives to describe uses. Stay tuned for more English learning videos and keep practicing. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language. Happy learning and see you in the next video.